What's up, YouTube? Funnel Doc here. In today's video, we're going to be going over the 3 levels of buyer's awareness. This is taking a buyer from knowing nothing about you and making them a raving fan, and what the marketing message along each step of the way should look like. This video is going to open your eyes to a lot. Make sure you watch it. It's going to help you make lots of sales. We'll see you inside.
Some dude, Jeffrey M. Benek, he just got a Clickfunnels tattoo.
What's up, everybody? Funnel Doc here. So today we're going to be going over the 3 levels of buyer's awareness. Now, this is the stages that someone goes from knowing nothing about your product at all to becoming a raving fan, buying everything you're put in front of them and telling all their friends and family about you. This is very often things when people are designing their marketing message that they skip over. They'll skip from the first level to the third, and because of this, their marketing message very often is not congruent and doesn't make sense. So because of this, let's start at the first level. This is the farthest away from actually making a purchase, and this person knows the least about this customer journey and how to get there. This person is either problem aware or they haven't even potentially learned about the problem yet. This is one of the things a lot of time when people are like, oh, there's no competition, no one knows anything about this. It could be because so many people don't even know that the problem exists yet. Think about Uber or Lyft. Until people knew that there was another option, they didn't even know that people didn't even know that taxis were actually a problem. They just thought that's the way it was. So sometimes you have to educate people to even what the problem is before you can start moving them up the customer journey. And this is something that a lot of people overlook. And when you're starting at this level, it can be a long time before the sale. So you just need to realize that when you're starting at the level that they're not even problem aware yet, you're going to have to do a lot of education to be able to jump that bridge, to be able to get them to eventually buy and to shift through the other 2 levels. Now, this first level is also known when you talk about ads and things as cold traffic. This is, again, when someone knows the littlest about any solution or products. So you shouldn't be talking about your product yet. You should be talking about the next stage, which is your solution. So first stage is problem. Second stage is solution. This is also known as warm traffic. This is getting closer to the purchase, but they're not yet there yet. A good example of someone would be if they're in the first stage, they're in the problem stage, they're sick, but they don't know what they got yet. So now when they get to the solution stage, they now know that they have a cold, but they don't know what the next thing they're going to need is, which is the product to fix this cold or to alleviate their pain. So think about it too, like a coach. Maybe you're a coach or a consultant. When you first start out, you have this special talent or gift or something or skill that you want to share with the world that people will pay you for, but you don't have any clue how to do it. You don't even know can you do it. So that is the problem awareness stage. To get the solution awareness, you now know that you can actually teach people, but you don't have any clue on how it would be laid out. You're starting to figure it out that you need to do a coaching model, but you don't have any clue on what you would do to get there. And then the next stage is your product awareness, and this is when you actually introduce the you as the hero or as the solution to it all. So that would be funnel accelerator coaching. So the first stage is cold traffic, where they're either product aware or problem aware, or they're not even problem aware yet, which can be the farthest away from the purchase. The second level is warm, and this is where they have become problem aware, but they're not solution aware yet. So once they become solution aware, they're now moving into warm stage where they're problem aware, they're solution aware, and now you want the last P, which is the product awareness, where they know that your offer is the answer to their dreams. So don't do what so many people do when they're writing the marketing messages. They start with cold traffic. Hey, do you want to get in the best shape of your life? That's really very, very cold traffic like type of headline. It's very broad. Hey, would you like to be able to get more free time to be able to live your dream life? That's very broad cold traffic. Now you go down a little bit to the next level. They know what it is. How would you like to live your dream life by being able to automate everything? Might be the solution. What would be now the next thing is whatever the product would be that would show them how to automate everything to get the free time. So hopefully that makes sense and explains out how this customer journey should go, going from cold to warm to hot, which makes them a buyer, and how the flow should go as you're educating them. Think about when you're doing your marketing that you're so often educating this person to what they need. It's not selling, it's educating them. Because really, think about it. If you believe in your product like I know you do, and you know it can change the world like I know my product can, then you owe the world to get it in front of them. So this is you educating them along the way so that when they get to the point that they're ready to buy, it's an obvious choice. So hopefully this video made sense to you today. Thanks so much for watching. If you found value in this, please subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of these great videos, and give us a thumbs up. Also, be sure to say something in the comments. Let me know what you think about these videos. Maybe there's a topic you'd like me to talk more about. Maybe you have a question about this video and you'd like to know more. I'd love to hear what you've got to say. Please let me know down below. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have an amazing day. Funnel Doc out.